Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fahad and I am from fahadtech.com. In this video, I will show you how to create a header with Elementor from scratch and we will make it responsive. As shown in this website, there is no header, no footer. Then we will create a header for that full responsive and from scratch. Let's start. First of all, we add a new plugin, search header and footer. This plugin is for Elementor. We will search header and footer. It's very easy to use plugin. So I have already installed and activate. Just click on install and activate it. After installing and activation, you will see name of plugin in appearance, Elementor header and footer. Simply click on it, element header and footer. So I have already created one header for my website, but I will remove this header. I will trash it. After trashing, I will add a new header and add it with the Elementor. Add new. Name is header. You can choose any name. Types of template. Simply we are creating header, so this is header. Okay, display on. You can choose different options from that, but I will choose entire website. User role. User user role you can choose, but I think you can skip it. It's not very important. If client's requirement, it's depend on client requirements. Okay, we will publish it. Okay, open a new tab, edit with Elementor. We can choose different options from there. We can also add a header from template like element kit. I have already installed this plugin. You can also install it. So how do we add? Check header in category. Click on it. You will see many template for header. Just wait a moment. Okay, you can see. Okay, I will insert this. It's only template, and I will tell you how to edit a template. We will remove this logo section and make it cool and attractive. We will move this to lists. Okay, now it's look better. Now we will make it stretch. Click on main container and turn on this section. Okay, now it's look like good. Okay, now check more settings. You can set margins and advanced options like padding. You can also control the bottom size and upper left and right size. So in this case you will understand all the settings like this. You can add. Okay, so let's go for the main topic. We will add a inner section in header part. Okay, add it. Okay, now we will add a logo in this section. In first section, search logo in it. You can see different logo options, but we will choose Elementor default site logo. Okay, insert in this section. You can see the logo size is very high, so we will set the container size first. So click on the container setting and we will set the container height 10 to 15 is good for that. Set it 10. 10 is good. And now we will add a menu list. Search menu in Elementor and choose nav menu. You can see other options for menus, but we will choose nav menu. It's default for Elementor. Okay, just click and drag and drop. Select the menu. I have primary menu, so click on it. We can also add more section. Click on it and add new column. So if you add new column, then you will need to again reset the column widths, all the column widths. As you can check, I think you will understand the main role of column width. Just practice on column width. When you learn this thing, you will handle all the project easily. So as you can see, now we will add a search bar, yeah, or search icon, sorry. Click on it and you can see different templates, because I installed template plugin and element kits. Reason of more option for search bar and other functions. You can change the size, font size from, you can change style, color, background color, hover color. Okay, you can set margin and padding from there, and also you can set margin padding from advanced. Just click on left and you can see the search icon is moving. The desktop header is ready. On the next video we will learn more things about responsive and mobile view, tablet view and laptop view. And I will also guide how to complete client requirements, and how to copy header from any website, and how to clone it. You will see all the possibility in the next video. If I got views, like, subscribe, then I will create more detailed videos on it. If you feel any problem in WordPress, you can comment. We will discuss and I help you to get solution. Enhance your skill and try long cut with shortcuts. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.